Hi, this is Anna from Anna and Ivy, and since I got several requests during the past weeks where people ask or you asked me how I set up my Premiere Pro, I just thought I'd show you how I set it up. Just a small disclaimer, I'm not a Premiere Pro, so I don't use this program that often, only for cutting my tutorials and creating animated logos with my own animated logo templates. So that's basically it. Nothing more besides, so I don't make like color change or stuff like this. So yeah, whatsoever. This is my setup. I only use like editing and effects. These are the only two sections I use. If you need some of these panels, simply go to Window and look up for the one you need. So this is the sequence timeline section, my project. This is my essential graphics section, which is very important if you want to use the animated logo templates. And this is my effect control, and this is a preview. So these are the only things you can see here, and these are basically the only things I use in this editing section. So the first step is we will create a sequence. Go over here to new item and create a sequence. So these are my settings. You can also use the 23 frames per second. Just let it, I don't know, it's up to you. This is how I set it up, and then you can go to settings. These are the settings, you can leave them like they are. If you want to create a story animation for Instagram, you have to switch these two because story animations have an vice versa ratio. Yeah, in the video settings. And if you want to create, for example, Instagram story post and a square one, simply go to 2000 and 2000, that's enough. So I will switch this one because I will show you how to make an Instagram story. So the next thing I will do is I will import an image because I need something as a base. The next step is simply drag and drop your image to your sequence. Here we go. And as you can see, you can already change the size of your image to make it fit into your sequence. Here we go. So the next thing I would do is simply drag and drop a template from the Essential Graphic animated logo template, and yeah, that's basically it. And then edit the template as you like to, change the color and so on, as I already showed you in the other tutorials. And yeah, this is basically it. You can change stuff here like opacity and scale and so on. And yeah, that's it. Then simply go to export. So these are my export settings, and yeah, I hope I could help you and enjoy this beautiful day and this beautiful week. Bye!